Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start the question. Today's question is, show the city, company name, contact name of all customers from cities which contain the letter L in the city name sorted by contact name. So before starting the question, let us see the table which they gave. So the table name is of customers. Let us read out customer ID, company name, contact title, address, city, region, postal code, country, phone, fax. So these are all the columns which are given, and every column is of text data type. So as usual, let us start with select and from statement. So select from. So from which table we are extracting the data? So that is customers. So customers table. And what are the columns we are selecting? So they are city, company name, contact name. So these are all the columns which we are selecting. So what is the given condition? So what are all the classes we need to use here? So they gave which contains the letter L in the city name sorted by contact name. So obviously we understood that we need to use where clause as well as order by. So we already know what exactly is order by. So it could be arranging all the records in ascending or descending order. So we need to arrange them. So based on what column we are ordering that? So contact name. Contact. So what is the condition they gave? Let us see again. So from cities, which contains the letter L in the city name. This is the condition. So can you guess, do you know any answer for this? If not, let me explain you one new concept to solve this question. So to solve this type of questions, there is a concept called like operators. Like operators. So what is this like operator? So generally like operator tries to find some patterns, tries to find some patterns in a text. Pattern in a text. So generally, so to solve this, generally the syntax goes like this. So where column name, like, and then next we need to specify the pattern here. Pattern here, so that it will check for the pattern if it is occurring in the text or not. So to complete this like operator, we need to know wildcards. There is a concept called wildcards. So the wildcards which help to solve to complete the like operator, that they are percentage symbol or underscore. So these are all the two wildcards which we can use. So what is the purpose of these two wildcards? So general, let's take a text. Okay. So let's take a text, Charan. See, let's say we are mentioning percentage A. Let's not take Charan. Like, okay, it could be, okay, fine. Percentage N, let's say. See, what this percentage symbol is that determines that there is some random text, but the word ends with N. So it could be anything. It need not to be Charan. It could be Kiran. Let's say Kiran. See, it is ending with N, right? So it could be anything. So percentage symbol says that there is some text. It is some random text. It could be anything, random text. And but this string is ending with N. So this is how it checks. Let's say in different way. This is like percentage N percentage. What it does mean? It means that there is some random text before and after the word, after the letter N. So random text, again random random text, whatever it could be. It could be. Okay. And then even it could be like this, right? What does it mean? This word starts with n. Starts with n. See, Nihal. Let's say what a name Nihal. So it is starting with n. So it could be anything. If you want to check Nitya. So it could be anything, right? Nitya, n. It is starting with n, n, n. So this is the random text. So generally, the percentage wildcard says that random text. Random text is there like that. So now, so this is how it works. Like even you can check like this. So percentage RA percentage. So if we see, let's say CHA RA Charan. This is Charan. So this is we are checking if the word is having RA or not. So it could be anything. It could be anything. So Kiran. So RA is present. The random text is behind R in both places, before and after the letter RA. So this is how this percentage wildcard works. And then the next wildcard is an underscore wildcard. So what it is? So it is saying like, let's say we are writing this way. N. There is only one letter. This is only one letter. One letter. This is only one letter. So let's say on, in, like this. On, in. So here it is ending with N and it is only one letter. One space means one space or one underscore. Underscore means one letter. Let's say you are doing like this. F. It could be off. It could be off. It could be. So like this. Here it is dedicating for one letter and it is dedicating for one letter. So this is how wildcard runs. So let's say this way. This way. So we can fill off here, OFF, OFF. So there is here one underscore determines for one letter and here also in the same way. So and then it has one F. So the totally it is of 3-letter word. So this is how wildcard works. So let us try to solve. Let us try to solve the question which they gave us. Now, what they are asking, the city name must have letter L in it. City name which contains the letter L in the city name. So let us solve that. So where city like quotations percentage L percentage. So what it is saying? So it should have percentage L in city name. So there could be some text before and after. There only before it can have, only after it can have. This is how it works. So let us try running it. So we got the correct answer. So this is how we need to solve. And in this video, we have learned what are wildcards and like operator, how we can solve things by using a while operator. Okay. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe for more content.